Welcome. We invite you to witness the delicate balance of life on Earth. Our planet is a vibrant tapestry of life, woven with intricate ecosystems and a stunning array of creatures, each playing a vital role. But this delicate balance is increasingly under threat, facing unprecedented challenges that jeopardize the very existence of countless species. Today, we meet 10 of the world's most endangered mammals, iconic animals teetering on the edge. These are living beings on the brink of disappearing forever, their fates hanging precariously in the balance. Their decline is driven by a complex web of factors, but at its core is habitat loss, the relentless destruction of their homes. Then there's climate change, which is drastically altering environments and pushing species beyond their limits, not to mention pollution, which contaminates their food and water sources, poisoning them from the inside out, and poaching, the illegal hunting that decimates populations for profit and greed. All of these threats are largely due to human activity, our ever-growing footprint on the planet. Understanding their stories, the challenges they face, is the first crucial step toward protecting our shared natural heritage and ensuring their survival. Let's begin our journey into their world, and discover what we can do to help. Deep within the lush, emerald rainforests of Java, Indonesia, lies a world teetering on the brink. Here the critically endangered Javan rhinoceros tenaciously clings to survival, a relic of a bygone era. With fewer than 80 individuals remaining in the wild, their numbers are alarmingly low. Confined to the sanctuary of one national park, they face constant threats from relentless poaching, driven by the demand for their horns, and the ever-encroaching shadow of habitat loss. These shy and remarkably solitary giants play a vital role in shaping their forest ecosystem, influencing plant life and maintaining balance. But their fragile existence means that a single natural disaster, or a surge in poaching activity, could tragically wipe them out entirely. Dedicated conservationists are employing innovative strategies, including the use of camera traps, and deploying vigilant anti-poaching patrols, working tirelessly day and night to safeguard these precious animals and their habitat. Their ultimate hope is to one day establish a secure second population, ensuring the long-term survival of the species and bolstering their resilience. The fate of this ancient and irreplaceable species, one of the rarest mammals on Earth, ultimately rests in our hands, demanding urgent action and unwavering commitment. In Mexico's Gulf of California, the Vaquita, the world's smallest and most endangered porpoise, faces extinction. Fewer than 10 remain, victims of illegal gill nets set for the totoaba fish. Conservationists race to remove nets and monitor the last vaquitas, but time is running out. The silence beneath the waves grows louder, a haunting echo of what we stand to lose. Saving the vaquita means urgent action now. In Sumatra's rainforest, the Sumatran orangutan, our close relative, fights for survival. Deforestation for palm oil and agriculture destroys their home, isolating families and threatening their future. Conservationists rescue and rehabilitate orangutans, replant forests, and reconnect habitats. Protecting the canopy is vital for their survival. The future of the person of the forest depends on us. In the Russian Far East, the Amur leopard, world's rarest big cat, prowls snowy forests. Hunted for its beautiful coat and threatened by habitat loss, only about 100 remain. Conservationists create protected areas and restore prey populations, while breeding programs offer hope. Every sighting is precious, a testament to resilience. The ghost of the mountains needs our protection to survive. Deep in the Annamite Mountains, the elusive Saola, dubbed the Asian unicorn, remains a mystery. Rarely seen, it faces extinction from habitat loss and deadly snares set for other animals. Rangers remove snares and protect its forest, but finding and saving Saolas is a race against time. Captive breeding is a hope, but first they must be found. The Saola's fate hangs by a thread. The Sumatran elephant, a vital ecosystem engineer, is losing its forest home at an alarming rate. Deforestation and conflict with humans threaten their survival, while poaching for ivory adds to the crisis. Conservationists use elephant flying squads to reduce conflict and protect forest corridors. Saving these giants means saving the forests they sustain. Their future depends on our commitment. In the hills between Nigeria and Cameroon, the cross-river gorilla survives in isolated forest patches. Fewer than 300 remain, threatened by habitat loss, hunting, and genetic isolation. Community guardians and conservationists work to reconnect forests and protect these shy primates. Safe corridors are key to their survival. Protecting their last strongholds is urgent. On North America's prairies, the black-footed ferret was once thought extinct. Rediscovered in Wyoming, a captive breeding program brought them back from just 18 individuals. Now reintroduced across the continent, they still face threats from disease and habitat loss. Conservationists vaccinate ferrets and prairie dogs to ensure their survival. The masked bandit's comeback is a story of hope. In Australia, the northern hairy-nosed wombat survives in a tiny protected area. Once down to 35 individuals, they now number over 300 thanks to predator-proof fencing and habitat management. A second population was established as insurance against disaster. Their recovery is fragile but inspiring. Dedicated conservation can save even the rarest species. In China's Yangtze River, the finless porpoise, known as the river pig, faces pollution, boat traffic, and habitat destruction. With numbers falling, scientists have moved some to safer oxbow lakes away from danger. Protected reserves and hands-on care offer hope for their survival. The battle to save the Yangtze's last cetacean is urgent. Their playful presence is worth fighting for. We've met 10 remarkable species, each with their own unique story and place in the tapestry of life. These creatures, facing immense challenges, represent just a fraction of the biodiversity we risk losing. Each a vital part of our planet's heritage. They contribute to the delicate balance of ecosystems, providing essential services that sustain us all. Their existence enriches our world in countless ways. Their struggles are urgent calls to action, signals that something is deeply amiss in our relationship with the natural world. We must heed these warnings, threats caused by us, but also within our power to change. The impact of human activities on wildlife populations is undeniable, but so is our capacity for positive change. Conservationists and communities show that recovery is possible with commitment and innovation. Success stories abound, demonstrating the effectiveness of targeted conservation efforts. Global support is essential. Every action counts. From reducing our carbon footprint to supporting ethical businesses, we can all contribute to a more sustainable future. Support conservation, make sustainable choices, and spread awareness. Educate yourself and others about the importance of biodiversity and the threats it faces. Thank you for joining this journey. Together we can ensure a future where wildlife and humanity thrive. A future where the wonders of the natural world are preserved for generations to come. Subscribe for more stories celebrating the wonders of our natural world. Let's continue to learn, grow, and act together to protect our planet's incredible biodiversity.